Hi everybody, my name is Scott Walls. For over 25 years, I've deployed ERP applications for some of the world's largest organizations. During that time, I've taught thousands of people just like you to discover, use, deploy, and support Oracle's back office applications. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how Fusion, also known as Oracle Cloud, was created. Please note that this lesson is part of the Oracle Cloud Explorer course. But before we get started, did you know you could earn free discovery badges for display on your LinkedIn profile just by watching videos like this one? You can. Stay until the end of this video and I'll show you how. Okay, so let's get started. Key topics for this lesson are as follows. Pre-2010 development and acquisition strategy, Oracle's 2010 application portfolio, Fusion, architecture modernization, and Oracle Cloud. First, 20 years of development and acquisition. Prior to 2010, Oracle spent 20 years acquiring a premier portfolio of technology assets. This page walks through those assets by function as well as when they were acquired. During that same period, Oracle continued to develop its own technology assets such as middleware, its Oracle Relational Database, and its e-business suite of back-office HR, Fin, and supply chain applications. Second topic, Oracle's 2010 app portfolio. The list of applications on this slide shows Oracle's coverage across all of the major business application categories. In parentheses are what would come to be the different high-order categories of applications within Oracle Cloud. These categorizations are known as pillars, a topic that we discussed in the application organization lesson. Third topic, Fusion, or fusing of Oracle's best-of-breed technologies into one super app. Prior to 2011, Oracle started with the code line for EBS and added the best concepts from the other applications it had acquired. Concepts like table set sharing from PeopleSoft, or concepts in general like object-based menus in lieu of data-driven menuing, and so on. Within Fusion, the different types of applications were all grouped into one of these 5 categories called pillars. Architecture modernization. So it goes to reason that you couldn't just create a unified cloud-based application without making major changes to the underlying architecture and how the applications are delivered and how the different components are maintained. You can see on the right top the prevailing multi-tenant architecture, such as something like Facebook, LinkedIn, Workday, as opposed to the single-tenant private cloud architecture that you see on the bottom image that Oracle deploys. For more on that, see the tenancy overview video or lesson. Oracle Cloud. So back in September of 2012, Oracle rebranded all of its Fusion applications as Oracle Cloud, or Oracle Cloud Software as a Service being one of the 3 main service lines Oracle now offers: infrastructure, platform, and applications. Okay, so that's it for the application creation video. Hopefully you understand the app portfolio, Fusion, how it was created, how the architecture was modernized, and when it was all rebranded into Oracle Cloud. So that's the end of this presentation, but it doesn't have to be the end of your learning journey. There are thousands of free videos just like this one. Remember, better content, better skills, better income, better life. We want to help you get 1% better every day. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Okay, as promised, here are the 5 steps you can perform today to start earning free badges for your LinkedIn profile. Step 1, navigate to Panameer.com and either sign in or join now. It's free. Step 2, in the upper left, under the Discover menu, select the course that you want to watch and get badged for. Step 3, watch all of the different video lessons in that course. Step 4, when it's complete, send your LinkedIn profile and the course you watched and your user ID to badges@panameer.com. And then sit back and wait for step 5 when we attach a badge to your LinkedIn profile.